Hey everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing 2 Project Life spreads with Ali Edwards products, and I'm going to do them in 2 different ways. So the first way is using all digital, and I even made my own 4x6 card up in the top left by extracting some of those blobs and putting them on that 4x6 card. The blobs came from the 3x4 card that was in the story kit, and then I will use a ton of the circles that were in the story kit as well to add to my page. This page was also the week that was Mother's Day, and there was just a lot going on, so I have a 6x8 insert for some extra photos and also a Mother's Day 5x7 photo that I had blown up at Persnickety. For the photo at the bottom left, I wanted some sort of label so that way I could talk about my daughter building with her dad. But I wound up making the label really big, but that's okay. It's just going to have to work for now. And I also forgot to print a photo up in the top right corner where my kids were playing with a box. My son was saying, "Come check out the box. There's a creature in the box." And the creature, of course, turned out to be his sister. And I added a few little things to the 4x6 card, like a tab and then also a heart. I made another 3x4 card with blobs, that's what I call it, and then I will add friends and family, pop dot it, and then add in some hearts as well, and then that little side will be done because I did all the journaling, so it made everything come together really fast. So for this one, it's the Mother's Day insert, like I said, and I have a then and now photo, and I'm going to write a little bit of journaling on that, and I'm also going to layer on a bunch of circles and things that I die cut from my Cameo on the white card. So I put thankful for you, and then gratitude and simply the best, and some hearts as well for the 3x4 card. So I just love these sweet photos of my kids, and also the then and now photo because we try to take this photo every year and we've done it for several years. And this is the 5x7 photo. I'm going to use a really big circle that says this story, and then I'm going to add in some hearts, and that will complete this little 5x7. I'm not putting anything on the back. I just wanted to make sure that I had a home for this special photo that I just love so much. So just the circle and just some hearts, and then I'll add another heart to a few other places and to wrap up this spread. And it came together so quick because I did the journaling ahead of time and I did a lot of things on the Cameo. So that is one spread done all digital. Now I'm going to do something a little bit simpler. I am going to use just stamps and only black ink. I wanted to just try it and just see how it would turn out. For me, if you've been around here a while, you know I love to use all the colors with my inks. So it was going to be a little challenging for me, but I was excited to try it. As you can see, I used the big block to attach a bunch of stamps to, so that way I could have them ready to go. And I'm going to have to make a 4x6 card, 3x4 card, and a 3x3. For this 3x3, I put down a rainbow, and I'm going to put a little quote on it in a little bit. I lost my other large block, so I had to use the top of a stamp cover to stamp that really large May Memories. It didn't work. I didn't press down hard enough, so I'm just going to cut it from a separate sheet of paper and then attach it, and you won't be able to tell the difference at all. And then I am going to stamp a few phrases on the paper. I have hangout time because my son had to get together with some friends, and then also backyard adventures because we had a bird that was nesting in our grapevines. I also stamped this and that, and then I went to go look in my stamp little container right here for kind of a bullet point, and I decided to pick a flower center as my bullet point. And I just stamped Backyard Adventures, and then I'm going to stamp the quote that I want in the middle, and it says the happiness of your life depends on your thoughts. I'm pretty sure that's what it says. And I also pulled out my Art of Noticing stamp set with the little block words. So I stamped this above the quote, and then I also have simple and document and moment, and I'll fussy cut those out as well. For the 4x6 card, I wanted to add another rainbow, so I just stamped a smaller rainbow from the Ups and Downs collection, I believe, and then also added in just a few simple embellishments with the cork pieces. So just to share a few of the journaling stories from the week, on the this and that, I tried to think of stories that were a little shorter or had two parts to it, like my son getting together with friends at the park, or my husband and daughter singing karaoke at night. And then on the May memories, I just kind of filled in the rest of the stories for the week, like sitting outside and noticing a hummingbird, and my daughter is doing an art class, and she did some sort of paper piecing, and you can actually see the photo up in the left corner, kind of in the middle. She wanted me to make eye holes on it, and now she looked like Rosie the Riveter. So she was having the best time in this class. And then Sunday evening, my husband and I took one beanbag and stuffed it to make one full beanbag. So that was a really funny story to add in to my project life. So now I'm going to bring everything back together and add in the cards and see if I need to rearrange anything or move any cards. I also need to fussy cut out the different words that I have and place those down. I'm going to put simple by the photo of my daughter dancing on the bricks, and hangout time, like I said, is going to go with my son and his friends, and I will actually add a large cork heart to that one. That way it's kind of a focal point, and then I will put moment on that funny photo of my daughter with her welder hat. And then backyard adventures, like I said a little while ago, that's going to go on the bird that was nesting in our house. And I absolutely love how it turned out. I want to do black ink for now on all my Project Life spreads. They turned out so fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how these two different spreads came together. I'd love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!